as you like.
Well,
I'm sure Brian won't mind.
that means a lot, thanks. But I can't figure out what I'm looking for in terms of an apartment, or even the area. I don't want to be far from stuff, but I don't want to be right downtown. It's exhausting trying to figure it out.
It's also just trying to be near everything practical, like is there a grocery store?
Exactly.
Oh, I'll make some coffee.
That'd be great, thanks.
Hey,
How's it going?
call the cops. That's what just went through my mind. This is not the same woman that I saw riding a unicycle naked through the homecoming parade.
Whoa. You did that?
Everyone has a past. This is really good.
Thanks.
Not too sugary? Sometimes he has some serious sugar action going. I keep telling him you can always add more in, but you can't take it out.
We were looking at some apartments at the Garden District. We saw some pretty sweet places there.
Oh, not the Garden District. Serious crime. There are plenty of studio-type apartments elsewhere.
Yeah. Here.
This is good.
I wish I didn't have to live someplace.
What do you mean?
Well, right now I have one key, and I really like that. Everything I own is in my car. But if I get an apartment, then I'll have two keys, and I just really like the one key.
So get rid of the car, then you'll still have one key.
Yeah, that makes sense. But I like the car. The car is really important. What if I have to go someplace in a hurry?
Do you pay taxes?
Well, of course. Only a liar doesn't pay taxes. I'm not a liar. A liar is the second lowest form of human being.
What's the first?
Lawyers.
Ah, you're a lawyer, Brian.